We've all seen them online, and today I finally cracked. I bought a walking pad. Now before I bought this thing, I had 4 non-negotiables: space, noise, incline, and price. This is the DeerRun Q2, and today we find out if it checks all 4 boxes. So here's the problem. Most traditional treadmills are too big, too loud, and way too expensive. So I did a little research and I found a walking pad that may actually solve all of my problems without breaking the bank. Out of the box, this walking pad comes with a power cord, remote control, hex socket wrench, user manual, and this questionable thing on the side over here is a refueling bottle used to oil the walking pad's belt. Now that we have this thing unboxed, my first consideration was space. And since the Q2 weighs only about 35 pounds and has wheels built in, it was the perfect solution for training in a condo or apartment. The height of the walking pad is only about 4 inches, so it fits nicely under home furniture. My second priority was price. That's because I don't care how convenient it is. If it's too expensive, then it's not for me. I got this walking pad on sale, but the Q2 normally comes in anywhere between $159 and $289. So at under $300, compared to a treadmill or a gym membership, this thing was a bargain. At number 3, noise was my other non-negotiable. Being a first responder, I work odd hours, and I want to be able to get my steps in without waking up the entire house. The Q2 has a brushless motor that's specifically designed to be quieter, making it perfect for my lifestyle. Last but not least, I wanted a walking pad that has the ability to incline. Most budget walking pads are completely flat, but the Q2 offers a 7% incline. The incline is fixed, but 7% is more than enough to strengthen your calves and burn more calories. Plus, the Q2 holds up to 300 pounds, so I have the option to walk with a weighted vest, which is great to simulate rucking or gear carries in order to build that functional strength that first responders need. Those were my top 4 non-negotiables, but it was time for the most important test of them all. Does it pass the wife test?
It's sturdy.
So that's the DeerRun Q2 out of the box, and honestly, I'm pretty impressed so far. But unboxing is the easy part. The real test starts today. I'm gonna use this thing every single day for the next 30 days so I can come back with a full, honest review. So if you have any questions that you want answered, drop them in the comments below. I read every single one of them. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss it, and I'll see you in the next one.